Hey friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and I wanted to share with you real quick some of the changes they're making at Harvest Host. Now, you may know of Harvest Host as the one-night destination. You could stay at thousands of places across the country. But they've extended some of those options now, up to 4 nights at some of the host locations, and some have water and power hookups. Let me show you what that looks like when you go on their app to find.
From the Harvest Host app, zoom in on an area in the map that you're looking at, pick the type of place you're interested in staying at. You can select the size of your RV as well. Here you can see you can select electric or water hookups. You can also pick if you want to stay for extended nights, and some other options you can choose here as well. Keep in mind, if you pick something with extended nights, there may be additional cost associated with that. Then zoom back in the map to see which ones best fit your filter, and you can select those, look at the photos of those particular locations, make sure it's where you want to stay. If it is, then you can go back in, look at the available dates, select one, and then that will be sent off to the host for their review and let you know that you're good to go.
So just a quick little tip I wanted to share with you about Harvest Host. Maybe it will help you optimize your future RV trips as well. In the description column below, I added a discount code that if you're interested in signing up for Harvest Host, they offer up to 30% off your first year. Check it out. Hopefully that helps. Safe travels.